In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix Snapchat audio not working. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But begin by checking your microphone mode. So open up Snapchat and start recording a video. We're just going to record this one right here. While you're recording a video, and you can just lock it so it keeps recording right here, swipe down from the top right. It's going to open up the control center right here, and then change the microphone mode up at the very top. You're going to have to select Snapchat, and then you're going to see microphone mode. There's going to be like automatic, standard, voice isolation on here. You want to change it from any of these to really just automatic or standard, and this can help if your audio sounds like muffled or too filtered. From here, what you need to do is check your, Snapchat microphone permission. So I'm going to stop recording real quick. But back out of Snapchat, open up settings. Once you open up settings, what you need to do is scroll down to the very bottom, select apps, and then search specifically for Snapchat on here. Once you open up Snapchat, you need to go ahead and make sure that the microphone setting is turned on. Also check your phone's silent switch and make sure that's turned off as well, or the notification switch, just in case that is still affecting playback. But if audio still does not work, you need to clear Snapchat's app cache. To do that, once again, go into settings, and then from the main page, go ahead and navigate into general. And then from here, select iPhone storage and just search for Snapchat real quick. Hit offload app just like so, and once you hit offload app, reopen up Snapchat and test that audio again. The process really is as simple as that. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let's know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.